Alright, so I have a new trimmer today from Neotech to share. This has several different attachments. We're going to go ahead and get everything unpacked, and then we're going to try them all out. And this one is the 25.4 cc. So we have several different attachments or extensions here. Alright, so in our first box we do have our user manual here. It does come with one of these tri-blades. Oh, this one actually has a really nice looking strap. This one's actually made of a nice soft material instead of the normal plastic shield one. This one does include an edger attachment, our regular string head, a mixer bottle, a little bag of tools, our handle, and our guard. And then in this one, alright, so we got a bar for a chainsaw, bar guard or cover, our chainsaw unit, or head, whatever you want to call it, our chain, and this one also does come with a edger. This one's a little bit smaller compared to one of the, well, this whole thing's a smaller unit compared to the one I used before. So let's go ahead and start putting it together, and we'll try all these out. The edger is going to be the only one that I don't really have much to test on, just because I don't have any kind of edging. Let's set up the string trimmer first. I got a lot of use for that one. Give you a better look at the head unit. You could pull this off right here to check your filter. Pretty easy to remove without any kind of tools. Looks like right here we got our choke. This one has a little switch that goes left and right. We do have a primer bulb on this one. And this one says it uses a 25:1 ratio. I'm just going to use my regular 40:1 on it. And then we do have our simple pull start, and this is the BC260E. I did put some fuel in. I also spilled a little bit, making a mess. Now it says to do the primer bulb 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's full of gas. Now, you go ahead and put the choke on. Put that on start, and let's see how easy this one will be to start for the first time. All right. We will adjust the throttle a little bit. All right, let's try the string trimmer on it. I feel like it needs to be adjusted just a little more. And you'll find that adjustment right next to the choke. It's just a little screw, and as you turn it, it will adjust the throttle up or down depending on which way. If you turn it right, it's going to idle the throttle up a little bit. So let's go ahead and we'll start it back up, and then I'm going to idle it up just a little bit more. say the string trimmer portion works really well. These blades will handle much thicker stuff. I love mulcher blades in general. Now I think I screwed up and it wasn't recording a couple of the last things that I was doing. One, I was showing how fast and easy it is to remove and add these attachment pieces. All you gotta do is untighten that a little bit. There's a little knob you press, a little button, and it releases it. The other thing I showed was how to swap the head with the blade. I do get asked that sometimes in previous videos, how that works. So I'm going to try and show it the best I can on the camera. So here on the side of the head, you're going to find a little slat. Inside, there's a hole on the inner piece. You put your screwdriver in there to hold it in place. And then that's how you're going to screw and unscrew things. And then with that in there, holding it in place, you use your other tool clockwise to take it off. And I actually like their kit a little better than what comes in like all the other ones actually. I just like the way that theirs set up and goes on. Now with this piece out, I can show you a little bit better. So this is the part that goes on the bottom of the head, and there's a little hole. That's where you're going to put your screwdriver in to hold everything in place. And then if you want to have your string head either on or off, you just got to pull off this piece if it's on there, and then you use your little tool, your screwdriver, to hold that in place. And all you got to do is just screw this on counterclockwise. And now we're set up with the string trimmer. Pretty easy to do. All right, so what I'm going to try now is this Hedge trimmer. I'm curious how well this one's going to work. It's a little bit shorter compared to the other model or the other trimmer I had before, but I think that might be a little bit better because it is a smaller engine compared to the other one. Now, you can also use these extensions, so if we want this to be a little bit longer, they are labeled. This one says Hedge trimmer. And this Hedge trimmer is also fully adjustable, so you can tilt it back or forward, depending on what kind of hedges, grass, whatever it is you're going to use it on. I'm going to try this on some grass, and I want to try it on some blackberry bushes. Definitely a lot faster than the string trimmer. Thick vines right here. Hedge trimmer works pretty well, actually. All right, So I know I do need to try out the chainsaw. I gotta go get some oil because I forgot. And we do need to try the edger. All right, now we're gonna try the chainsaw head. Also, this does have an attachment where it is labeled pole saw. You're also gonna wanna put a bar and chain oil in here. And just like the Hedge trimmer, this does adjust. So this one, you gotta pull up a knob and then you can adjust it up and down. This is the highest it will go, so straight. And then you can angle it 90 degrees. Hey, how about that? It does work. Handles limbs really well. Alright, so I am pretty happy that the chainsaw worked. I wasn't sure if it was going to, just from previous experiences. I don't usually use the chainsaws on these, and I probably won't honestly use it like ever with this one. But for the demo purposes, I am glad that it actually worked. I will actually use the Hedge trimmer a bit more, and I will use the mulcher blade, a different mulcher blade, but I'll use the mulching attachment more than anything else. I live in the middle of the forest. I don't have sidewalks and stuff, but I will try and do a quick demonstration the best I can with the edger tool. Hey, not bad. So for edging, it actually works pretty well. Even though this wasn't concrete, it still gives you an idea about edging with it. Alright, so that's going to be my quick demo from the Neotech trimmer combo set. We got a hedge trimmer, a chainsaw, string trimmer, the mulcher blade. We have an extender. We have an edger. I tried my best to show you how the edger would work. I think it works pretty well. The chainsaw worked really well. And I like that because the previous trimmer I showed before, the chainsaw didn't even work. It's pretty lightweight. I didn't even use the strap this whole time. I'll use it in the future, but it was light enough where I was able to carry it around this whole time without it really hurting my back much. Now they do say to use 25-to-1 fuel oil mixture. I used 40-to-1. I'll leave it up to you to decide which you would like to do. 40-to-1 works pretty well for me on everything I use, even for the tools that say 25-to-1. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will do a follow-up with this here pretty soon. Until then, thank you for watching.